mbere ni ati Borithi kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni maikitie ngono ekuirwo atandatu aria marakuruhanirio na Ekinai icigo-ini ngurani ari hamwe na bondamari. Na uu ni thutha wa maobithaa aya gutabania Mungururio wa kungethanira na riboti cia wuici kuma kuri aikari amwena uyu na mahithukitie thimu na tuhiu andu atandatu aria merigireirio gukinyio igoti-ini ria Naikuru muthenya wa rucio.
Police Commander Nakuru County. So today we had an operation targeting mostly the illegal gangs. We had an operation on areas of Bondamari, that is in those areas of adjacent to Kaptembwa in Nakuru West. In Nakuru East, we also had an operation toward the Lakeview areas, where we managed to arrest in total 12 suspects who, in connection to the famous illegal gang, the confirmed gang. So six are held in Kaptembwa police stations. 6 are held here in Nakuru police station, the famous central police stations. We managed also to get them to get items like the mobile phones, close to 12 of them. Knives, dangerous weapons, including knives and the other assault weapons. So they will be appearing in court tomorrow with the various charges, including preparation to commit a felony. The operation continues, and even now, very many officers are on the ground. We really want to crack on the confirmed gang and the other that might be forming, because the target is just to make Nakuru County safe and secure for all citizens within the county, and especially the CBD. So we'll continue with the operations, including even the illicit brew, the second generation, all those we put them. So we'll sustain the operation going forward, so that at least we make Nakuru County generally, and more specifically Nakuru Town, Nakuru City, to be a place that where anybody can come and invest, do his or her business in a very free atmosphere, free from any kind of crime. So this one continues, and my appeal is just to the members of the public that they continue to support us, giving us information, because without them, make any step. But we also want to thank them, because it is through the effort and the intel that we have been able to nab the 12 suspects. Operation continues even this night, and even very many days.